Good evening, everyone. It's me, Cullen, back with another shave. Tonight is my birthday shave, and so I am treating myself to a top-notch shave. Tonight, I am using 345 Soap Company Yacht Club. I forgot what this is thing of. It's a cologne scent. It is absolutely gorgeous. And with it, I also have the Splash, the Solid Cologne, and the Balm. And I showered with the bar soap. And for bowl tonight, I'm using my Twin Pines Blue Bowl. I am using my Richman Blood Oath. And I believe this has an S2 innervator in it. And for a razor, I will be using my Wolfman WR2 razor. So this is going to be just a pure luxury shave tonight. I didn't shave last night because I wanted to have some nice whiskers to enjoy my shave. As you can see there, I'm at like 36 hours worth of growth. So let's go ahead and whack these whiskers. If you haven't used 345 soap before, I encourage you to. Excellent, excellent quality soap. Excellent customer service. The owner is a great guy. Great product. Great value for your money for sure. You're talking 5.8, we'll just call it 6 ounces at that point of soap for, I believe it's 15, might be $16.99. Oh, and my blade I have in here is a new Nasset. The performance of this soap is just so good. John's original base was top notch as it was. But his new base, I call it new, I guess it's been around maybe almost a year now. I'd have to get exact time frame from John. But it is phenomenal. It lathers really easy. And it has so much good stuff in it for your skin. It really leaves your face feeling good. But you combine it with his balm, and it's even better. His balm has hyaluronic acid in it, which makes your skin retain moisture in the cells. Why would you want that, you might ask? Well, why wouldn't you? Like my crow feet right here, they've gotten to where you could hardly even notice them too bad. Like you can see the line right there. So they used to, see that? It used to be real deep all out here all the time. And since using hyaluronic acid with my face serum, when I'm not using one of John's soaps, my skin retains some moisture, and so it keeps it more full, so your wrinkles aren't so noticeable. And John, if you watch this video, that one day we were all had that video talk, and I said about making the soap have it flavored instead of tasting like soap, and you asked me why am I getting soap in my mouth? Well, this is why right here, because I talk and I lather, and I don't pay attention to where it's going in my mouth, and so I always end up with it in my mouth at some point. I find it odd that on the Wolfman razors, all the different blade gaps he has, he doesn't put it on the plate anywhere, at least not that I've seen. I'm excited that he's going to be making the, the bronze and copper, I think it is, and titanium ones again. Now the titanium ones, that's going to hurt the pocket. Now these hurt the pocket as it is, but generally a $200 razor and you come out with the titanium version, and now it's $300 or more. So I hate to even think of what a titanium Wolfman's going to be with the cost of these. I would think it's probably going to be somewhere around 600 Canadian, which will be, depending on the exchange rate, 500 US. Is where I would think the price of those would be. I'm wondering if the bronze ones are going to be less expensive than the stainless steel. I love bronze. I love how it looks. I just don't like the weight of it. You know, so if I got a bronze one in the WR7 handle, I think this is, I don't know what it is. Whatever this handle is, I would have to pay the extra money to have it hollowed out. It would just be too heavy to have a solid bar or a solid handle. Because the bronze timeless razor is one heavy mamma jamma. You know about a titanium Wolfman? Now, I don't know how many of y'all are gonna get that giant snow shovel looking gem blade razor he came out with. I hope he's gonna make it smaller than that. I know the one that's out right now is just kind of a, I guess, a prototype, but that thing's ginormous. Looks like you could shave from across the bathroom with it. Hopefully he'll come out with a artist club razor. That would be awesome. But let me get all this cleaned up and I'll be back with you. All right. We are back and feeling fine. All right, let's go over what we used tonight. We used the 345 Soap Company Yacht Club, which is just an absolute beautiful scent. I can't remember if all of John's other soaps are quite as soft as this one, but this one's kind of soft. For bowl, we use the Twin Pines Wood Turning Blue Bowl. We use the Richman Blood Oath with the S2 Innovator. For the face, we use the Wolfman WR2. Wolfman WR2 razor. And then for the boulder, we use the Razor Rock Lupo DLC, which is my go-to razor. And one of these days here coming up, we will be trying this new razor that I just got in from Yacht. They say this is not the katana head, but it looks pretty much like it, with the exception that it's two-toned. And this one came on their new handle offering, which is a all aluminum rocket handle, which I thought was pretty cool looking because it does look like a rocket. So I figured if anything, we could use that cool handle on something else if we don't like that head. But thank you for joining me for a, oh wait, no, not even close. We got a, after the shave, warm water, cold water, witch hazel. None of my usual face oils and stuff, because tonight we have the balm from 345, which has all of that goodies in it. And so that is what we are using. Let's just get everything all nice and balmy. Oh, that smells so good. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, so good. Killing it, John. And then we will knock out the park with some Splishity Splash. And while we have that popped off, let's go ahead and take care of this little black plastic ring. There we go. Because that'll drive me bonkers. Okay, so there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Now we're gonna hit that one again. Hit that one again. Oh, it just smells so good. And then we will wipe my hands here. We will finish up. Take the little plastic ball cap off. Twist it up like a chapstick. We'll do some of this. Just get some of that. Yummy all over us, you know? Stuff's so good. Love his solid colognes. So good. All right. Well, that concludes our shave, which is really sad because it was freaking fabulous. What a great birthday shave. Just totally, totally excellent. So I thank you for joining me tonight. And we will see you tomorrow, good Lord willing. Until then, take care, be safe, and most importantly, God bless.